Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you a dozen of the Windows shortcuts that's going to make your computer work way more efficient and save you some time. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new to the channel so you don't miss any videos. Alright, let's get started. So the shortcut number one is going to be very handy if you have a lot of windows open like me. For example, I got like a whole bunch of different tabs and windows open on the bottom. So if I need to find the right one and have a good view, what I need is you just gotta press the Windows logo button plus tab, and it opens it up in the task view mode. This is gonna give you a way better understanding what you got on your screen, and you can pick whatever you like and work with it. The shortcut number two will be really helpful if you have lots of windows open like me, and instead of clicking on every single window and minimizing it by hand, all you gotta do is just press the Windows plus M, and all the windows gonna be magically disappeared, so you don't have to worry about them. The shortcut number three would be really handy if you don't have this PC on the desktop, and then you have to go through all this Windows Start menu and try to find yourself an Explorer. So all you have to do is just press the Windows logo key button plus E, and it's gonna open up the Windows Explorer, and then you go through all the files that you need. Ever needed to change the settings and trying to find where they are? Well, no worries. It's gonna be real easy with this next shortcut. You just gotta press the Windows plus I, and it's gonna bring you the Windows settings screen, and then you can pick whatever settings you need to change. Okay, so the shortcut number five will be helpful to you if you want to lock up your screen, or if you have several users using the same PC, you can just switch between users. So all you gotta do is just press the Windows button plus L, and it's gonna take you to the lockup screen. So unless you know the password, nobody's gonna be able to use your computer. This shortcut is going to be helpful to you if you want to run Dialog Box. This is going to be Windows plus R, and then you can type up different combinations, and then it's going to bring you the windows for controlling different services on the Windows. To bring up a quick link menu, you got to press the Windows X, and this is going to give you all the different options for quickly control your computer. And it's got device manager, system, event viewer, so basically all you need for your basic needs. If you're writing a letter or an email, you can just add up an emoji in your Windows like you're doing on your cell phone. All you have to do is just press the Windows button plus period, and it's gonna open up a whole bunch of emoji you can use. And yeah, there's a few different kinds, so you can use them up in your emails if you like. The next shortcut is really handy when you have a few windows open and then you want to have a look at your desktop, but you don't want to really minimize or close your windows. So all you got to do is just press the Windows plus comma, and then you have a peek at the desktop, and after you release the buttons, it goes back to your windows. So this is going to be really handy for you. The next shortcut, it will be really helpful if you want to take a short print screen of your desktop, but you don't want to take a picture of the whole desktop. You just want to take a certain area. Let's say we need to take a picture of this window. So all you have to do is you got to press the Windows, Shift, and S. And it's going to bring up this little menu here. You can just circle or draw a square where you need to take a picture of, and it's gonna automatically copy it. And then you can open up, like, let's say in font view, and then you can just go paste, which is Ctrl plus V, and there you go, you got it saved here. And if you want to know how to use this in font view, it's really helpful. Like, it's a really nice photo viewer with some features of photo editing. You can check out my other videos, and I'm gonna explain more about how to do cropping and working on this program. If you have a second monitor, or if you have a projector connected to your computer and you want to have it do some settings on it, all you have to do is just press the Windows P, and it's going to bring up this nice window where you can choose between how you want it to display your monitors. So you can use one monitor, or you can duplicate them, or you can extend them, make it like a double or triple if you have 3 of them, or you want to just use it on a second monitor. So it's up to you. And the last but not least is actually a group of shortcuts that we're gonna look at. It's gonna be Windows plus the arrow keys. So if you have a window like this, which is not up to the full screen, and you want to go and maximize it, of course you can press this button here, but you have to grab a mouse and drag it all the way there, so why do that? So let's just go and press the Windows and arrow up. It's going to make it all the way to the size. If you want to do it backwards, just minimize it, make it smaller, go Windows arrow down. If you want to have it take only half of the screen to the left, you're going to press the Windows to the left, and then you have room for the other stuff. Or you can press it Windows to the right. Let's just maximize it, Windows to the right, and then it's going to be all the way to the half of the screen on the right, and then you have room for the other stuff, so you can actually have 2 screens perfectly matched in the middle. So I hope this video is going to be helpful to you and you're going to like it. And subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any more videos. Of course, there's more shortcuts. If I missed something, please leave it in the comment section below, and I'll be very happy to see and review them in my next videos. So hope you guys have a nice day, and see you later. Bye bye.